What's up everyone, my name is Lucas from Whale Zone and let's start off with the bombshell that's everyone been talking about. The 47th president of the United States, Donald Trump, that's known for his bold and often controversial moves, has signed an executive order establishing a digital asset stockpile. Now you might be wondering, what does this even mean? So let's break it down. Imagine a Fort Knox for the digital age. Instead of gold bars stuck in a heavily guarded vault, picture servers humming with encrypted data representing billions of dollars of crypto. Now this is not a science fiction. This is the potential future of America's financial reserves. This executive order does more than just a stockpile. It establishes a presidential working group on a digital assets market. Think of it as a crypto dream team, tasked with a developing and comprehensive federal regulatory framework for digital assets. This is crucial because until now, the crypto world has been a bit like the Wild West. Exciting, but often unpredictable and sometimes even dangerous. At the helm of this initiative is David Sachs, who's been given the impressive title of White House AI and Crypto Tsar. But Sachs isn't working alone. He's joined by some of the most powerful figures in American finance, including the Secretary of Treasury and the Chairman of Securities and Exchange Commissions. This assembly of heavyweights signals just how seriously the administration is taking the future of digital finance. But here's where it gets really interesting. The executive order explicitly prohibits federal agencies from establishing, issuing, or promoting central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. This is a significant departure from the policies of many other countries which are actively exploring or even implementing CBDCs. This raises the fascinating question about the future of monetary policy and the role of government in the digital finance. Now, you might be thinking this all sounds great, but what does it mean for me? Well, if you're an American citizen or anyone involved in the global financial system, which, let's face it, is everyone today, this could have far-reaching implications. It could potentially stabilize the volatile market of cryptocurrencies, provide a clear guidance for investors and businesses, and cement America's position as the leader in the digital economy. Trump's meme coin. But Trump isn't just making moves on the policy front. In a twist that's equal parts surprising and yet somehow perfectly in character, he's launched his own meme coin. Now, before you roll your eyes or rush to invest, let's look at this objectively. Within just hours of its launch, the coin's value skyrocketed towards nearly $5.5 billion. That's not just impressive, that's unprecedented. To put this in perspective, it took Bitcoin, the granddad of all cryptocurrencies, several years to reach this market cap. This rapid growth speaks volumes about the power of Trump's brand and recognition and the speculative nature of crypto markets. The timing of Trump's coin launch just days before Trump's inauguration has raised eyebrows and sparked an intense debate. It's worth noting that on the website of the Trump's coin, it carefully distances itself from any political campaigns or government agencies. Larry Fink's prediction. Now let's zoom out a little bit and look at the bigger picture. While Trump is making moves with his meme coin and his executive order on crypto, there are other industry titans who are making bold statements about the future of Bitcoin and crypto world as a whole. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, and if you're not familiar with BlackRock, it's only the world's largest asset manager, overseeing trillions of dollars, has suggested that Bitcoin could reach a staggering $700,000. Now, before you dismiss this as a wild speculation that has no real meaning behind it, let's consider the context. Fink's projection comes after discussions with sovereign wealth fund that's considering allocating 5% of its portfolio into Bitcoin. This isn't just an idle chatter. It's a reflection of growing institutional interest in cryptocurrency world. We're talking about entities that manage hundreds of billions, sometimes even trillions of dollars, seriously considering Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class for their own portfolio. To underscore this point, BlackRock recently made a $662 million purchase for its exchange-traded fund This is their largest single day purchase of the year, and it signals a major vote of confidence from one of the most respected names in the world of finance. Solana versus Ethereum. But while Bitcoin is grabbing the headlines now, there's another story unfolding in the world of DeFi and decentralized finance. Solana, a blockchain platform that was once considered an underdog in the world of crypto, is now giving Ethereum, the long-standing leader in DeFi, a serious run for its money. As you can see on this chart, in January 2025, Solana's decentralized exchange trading volumes reached a mind-boggling 268% compared to Ethereum. Now, to put this into perspective, we're talking about 122 billion in trading volume on Solana versus $45 billion on Ethereum. This isn't just a fluke or some temporary blip. It's the culmination of a trend that's been building out for months. Now, let's take a look at some price action analysis on the main assets. First things first, Bitcoin. Now, obviously, as you can see on the chart, we are on Bitcoin and there's this range that we've been trying to break for the second time. The current reaction that's extremely important is gonna decide if we're gonna go higher or lower. For the bullish thesis, we'd like to see Bitcoin obviously flip the high of this range, go above it, then retest that high of the range, and then go even higher. Now, Ethereum follows a similar pattern to Bitcoin, but at a slower pace. Here we can see a descending pennant. 3 touches on the upper lines confirming it as a resistance level, these 3 highs, while the lower line has been only confirmed twice. However, if they occur, it seems that the entire area from the current price to this gray box right here serves as a demand zone. This is confirmed by the candle wicks drawn downwards. However, if Ethereum is gonna decide to break this pennant, we could potentially go as high as $5,000. And the last asset is gonna be Solana on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we have an ascending triangle right here, and we are slowly breaking out of this triangle, so there's a high potential that we could retest this area and then go even higher towards the $300 all-time high. And that's it for today. Make sure to click the first link in bio that will take you to Whale Zone. That's the only Discord group and the only community that you actually need to make it this cycle. Click the first link, don't waste no time, and join right away.